Welcome to JP's Toy Review. And today, what are we reviewing today, John Paul?
Spidey.
Small Spidey and friends, isn't it?
That's the hero.
Who have we got?
Chasey, Hulk, Spidey, Spin, Miss Marvel, Ghost Spidey, Green Goblin, Rhino, Ghost Spider, Black Panther.
I think that one's still Spidey. I think it's just a red car, isn't it?
Black Panther.
Yeah. So, these guys are the small versions of the Marvel superheroes, Spidey and friends.
Yes.
Yeah.
But Chasey's not Marvel.
Tracy is Marvel. You silly man. Let me see your tracksuit. Whoa, look at that. Who have you got on your tracksuit today? Spidey. And is that Spin on your arm? Spin. And
Spin on my leg.
And Spin on your leg as well. You like Spider-Man, don't you?
But I like Spin too.
Yeah. Okay, right. These guys are just the small versions of the Marvel Spidey and friends. They haven't got the shooting powers that the bigger ones have, but they're really good for carrying around and having fun, aren't they, John Paul?
Yeah.
Yes, they are. Yep. So we usually have Spidey battles, don't we?
Yes.
And who's the good guys and who's the bad guys?
He's a good guy, he's a good guy.
Right,
he's a bad guy, he's a bad guy, he's a good 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 guy. And
okay.
These guys are bad.
Yeah. Right, can we put them into good guys and bad guys?
Yeah.
Right, who's the good guys?
These guys.
Right, can we put them into separate bits?
The bad guys
Right,
here.
so that's the bad guys, which is, who's this guy here? Green Goblin and Rhino. He's gonna stomp. And what does Black Panther say?
A king of Wakanda.
He's a king of Wakanda. And what does Hulk say? Hulksman. And what does Spin say?
I don't know. Go big.
Go big. No, it's not Hot Wheels. So these are the guys here. They're really good for travel toys, and we love them, don't we?
Yeah.
We've been playing with them all day, haven't we? And they're really, really cool. So would you give the small Spidey and friends a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
A thumbs down.
How a thumbs down? Are you kidding? Yeah.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Let's see your thumbs up. Yeah. These are really cool toys.
Here I am. See, here I am.
Here I am.
No, like the one that you said at the monster shop with.
You go here. Here.
All right. You got that. Here I am. and here's Mum. Hi, Mum.
Hi.
I was wondering what you're talking about there. Right, so you say bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Remember, if you like our videos, you give it a thumbs. A thumbs up.
Thumbs down.
And subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to our poo-poo.
No, not poo-poos. Channel. Right, say bye, everybody.